Good morning.
Morning.
Carmelita and I just arrived by cruise ship here in Aruba. For today's On Our Own adventure, we are going to Palm Beach. Palm Beach is one of the three most popular beaches visited by cruise passengers. The other two are Arashi and Eagle. We've already made videos on those, and today we will let you know which is our favorite out of the three. Today we'll be using the public bus system to get to the beach, the Arubus. It's $2.50 each way, so it'll cost us $5 with the return. It's pretty nice here in Aruba. They tell you which ways to town. Makes it pretty simple. As always, we'll include maps at the end of the video showing the walk from the cruise terminal to the bus station, as well as the route from the bus station to the beach. If you want to pose with a bikini, Carmelita, I'll take your photo.
No, thanks.
Not today.
Not today.
You'd look good in that little bikini.
Yeah. I figure I would for sure.
Looks like we'll be going out through gate 5 today. It's the gate we go out every time we're here.
There, other side.
On the beach. Open when the bus island door. Hello.
Hello. The bus station will be just around the other side of the Dollar Plus store. One thing to note here in the ABC Islands, seems like it's kind of always cloudy and windy in the mornings, and then as the day goes on it gets clear. I'm sure we'll see plenty of sunshine before the day is over. Windy. Let's go this way. There's the Diamonds International store, the Dollar Plus store. We're going to walk right up here and cut straight into the ticket window. You can also get there by going around the Dollar Plus store. Right here's the ticket window. We're going to get the ticket with return to Palm Beach. This is perfect timing. We've got our tickets and the bus to Arashi and hotel area, which is also the bus to Eagle Beach and Palm Beach, just pulled in. I didn't realize this when we've been here before, but the tickets or the bus passes are cash only. So something to keep in mind. Go to Palm Beach?
Palm Beach, yes.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. That was perfect timing.
Yeah.
Bought the ticket, got right on the bus.
Yeah.
You can see there
Oh, wait.
on this sign, it's looks like the buses run about every 20 minutes. Here we go. This driver's moving. This is the closest beach to the cruise terminal. It's 1.5 kilometers is what the mapping software is showing from the bus station, which is about the same distance as the cruise terminal. Looks like a little bit of sand, a lot of reef. Probably be a good spot to do some snorkeling. Look at all the fofoti trees. They all point to the southwest. This is the closest sand beach, so it'd be good for swimming. It's 2.7 kilometers from the cruise terminal. I'm sure someday in the future, Carmelita and I'll walk here. It's a pretty beach. That's Eagle Beach. Coming into the Eagle Beach bus stop. It's 4.5 kilometers from the cruise terminal. Took 9 minutes to get to the bus stop. Beautiful long beach. It's not very crowded. Another fofoti tree. Right, Eagle Beach bus stop. Eagle Beach chair rentals. Eagle Beach when we spent the day there.
That was nice.
The Hilton Hotel. We're coming into Palm Beach.
Palm?
We just arrived at Palm Beach. How you know you're getting there is the big castle looking RIU, and then right across the street is the Hilton. Took us almost 16 minutes. It's 7.6 kilometers from the cruise port. So right here at the Palm Beach bus stop, there's a Senior Frogs and a Fat Tuesdays. Walk down here and find a crosswalk. Head to the beach. Yeah, it's incredible. The Hilton Aruba, Caribbean.
They have their own casino.
I believe we walk right through the hotel to get to the beach access. It is a beautiful hotel. Fancy. And there is Palm Beach. Beautiful. I'm going to take my flip-flops off. The sand is soft.
It is.
Pretty. So these beach chairs and umbrellas right here outside the Hilton are for guests only. But he said just down here we can rent chairs and umbrellas. It's called Water Sports and we can rent them there. So here at Water Sports it was $30 for 4 hours. And that's for 2 chairs and an umbrella. They seem like very nice people. They take credit cards or cash. Looks like a nice setup. The sun here in the southern Caribbean is pretty intense. It's not even 10 o'clock in the morning and I can feel it. We're using 100 SPF sunblock. Get in the water and see how it feels. There's a nice coolness to it. It's a little bit of a drop off getting in, maybe 7 or 8 inches. It's completely sand bottom though. I don't feel any stones or pebbles or rocks. How's the water? It's refreshing. You feel some seaweed? Oh yeah, I feel it right here. Yeah. There is some seaweed in the bottom.
My feet up. Bring it down here, Mom.
Ooh. This is the first beach where there's actual seaweed in the water. It's all over the bottom. It's soft. It's just a different experience. And right here is that little ledge I had mentioned. You can see from here to here. That might be 10 or 12 inches actually. Back to the beach chairs. Do a little relaxing. Princess doesn't allow drones on the boat, so I'm going to use the 3-meter selfie stick to get a little aerial footage. Palm Beach is a 2-mile long beach. I haven't walked the whole beach, but I walked over a mile of it. It's pretty much the same. Lots and lots of hotels, a lot of people. You know, I prefer Eagle Beach. It's more secluded. It's also an extra long beach, but in comparison, it's pretty open, pretty nice, pretty spacious. I visited with a lot of people on my beach walk. A lot of people from around the world, many Americans. They're all pretty interested in this 360 camera on the long pole, wanting to visit, wanting to know what the channel is. Many of them have been coming here 20 to 30 years. They just love this place. And I can see why. Carmelita and I love the Southern Caribbean as well. I'm pretty warm, so I'm going to do some more swimming and relax and enjoy the beach. That concludes our adventure here at Palm Beach. I mentioned earlier we'd let you know what our favorite is out of the 3 most popular beaches. Which is your favorite?
Eagle.
Yeah, I have to agree. I like Eagle Beach too. The one thing that Palm Beach does have is a lot of bars and restaurants, where Eagle Beach not so much.
Now, if you're looking for a calmness, I would go down to Arashi, but swim in the middle of the beach because it's kind of rocky at the ends.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you'll join us on the next.
See you soon.